So hi, my name is Anurag and I am from Delhi School of Economics. Currently I am pursuing my Masters from Delhi School of Economics in Sociology. I have my graduation in Biotechnology from Jamia Millia Islamia. This was the background that I am having. I got to know about the Eklavya Bootcamp through some seniors or some peers, and I applied for it last time when I was in my first year. Then I got to know that it is for second year, and even if they didn't reject me, they told me that I could have given my seat to somebody more needy, since I was not the person who is that much needful, since I was in my first year. So I was expected to, or I was advised to give my seat to somebody else, and for the first time I gave my seat to somebody else. Then when I am my final year of post graduation, so I applied for it when the forms were out, and after applying, the application process was very seamless. It was not that much hectic. They asked me some very basic questions like what I am expecting from this boot camp, and what is my socio-cultural background, my family background, or what is my personal background. These were the basic questions that they asked from me. So coming to this camp is a very new, or very, I can say, beautiful experience for me. I had a lot of expectations in terms of the guidance. Like I'm a first generation learner coming from a marginalized section of society. That's why I don't have that much social capital or cultural capital, and which becomes a major hindrance in my path to my higher education. This is what I have been facing since the day I completed my schooling. The crisis that where to go, what to do has always been there. But thanks to Eklavya team, they have guided me so well. I was exposed to a group of people, group of aspiring scholars who are preparing for their masters in abroad, PhD in abroad, and here I got that experience, that exposure that enables me to develop a confidence to go outside, which is, I think, the first step for any success or any step that you are taking. The second thing that I learned from the boot camp is how to get into the process, like how to write your proposal, the basic thing that is first needed for a PhD program, your proposal, your motivation letter, your SOP, statement of purpose, your the basic things that are basically needed. And secondly, since going out or going abroad for a PhD is something very hectic for us, the people who are coming from marginalized section, because of the lack of information we have. Eklavya acts as a bridge between us and the universities abroad. So while providing mentorship, while providing guidance, they also try to build capacity amongst us in order to navigate our own challenges. And the approach in Eklavya is very much student centric, or I can say the needy centric. Like we are the needy, we need the guidance. So there is not a very straightforward or strictly structured process that they are following. They are very flexible and they are catering to the individual needs. Like I have some different needs, some students are coming from a different background having different needs. So they are trying to understand our specific need and curating their strategy according to that. That is very beautiful, I have found. And when it comes to some suggestions that I want to give, as of now, I don't have any suggestions, because I think the amount of resources that Eklavya team had, they did wonders in that amount of resource. And the kind of things, the kind of accommodation, food, experience that we have here is commendable. It is beyond our expectations, and we hope the next cohort that Eklavya will be hosting will also have the same experience. Our experience with Eklavya has been very good, very beautiful, and I hope that I could do some meaningful for Eklavya in future. I will be always ready for that. Thank you so much, Eklavya team.